So here I have JD.com, Chinese company stock, which has been performing well since a little bit after their earnings. Actually, this was, I think, the week when Alibaba had their earnings. Yeah, the 29th of August. And ever since this earnings report from Alibaba, like Alibaba itself, JD, Baidu, PDD have been performing really nice. And also in general, I think most of these stocks, of the Chinese stocks, have been correcting or like going sideways for the past few years. I think they look ready to like do a reversal to the upside, because they have been putting in really strong numbers, earning numbers. Also, for this chart in specific, the volume has been kicking in. Like in the low here, you have clearly like the volume candle from the lows are like higher of the previous from the move down. For me, I always look to this, if it's on the daily or on the 4 hourly or on the hourly, it depends on the analysis and the chart, but this is good to see that you have higher volume. And then today the volume even like increased even more, and you have like this nice candle. So in my opinion, this might be going on a reversal. Other than that, this chart is a bit more difficult to analyze, because like I can't see clearly 5 waves. I think it's gonna be a diagonal pattern, also because your wave 2 went as deep as the 886. Of course you didn't take the low, that wouldn't be possible for a wave 2, but you hit the 886, which is for me like not an ideal target for a wave 2, rather for a wave B, or this might turn into a diagonal, or instead of calling this a 1-2, I should actually call it an A, B, and then we're going to do the wave C now. Let's see how the subwaves turn out, because like I'm just labeling it now as a 1-2, but it might be an A, B, C, and a larger A, B, and then again the larger C. Wait, I'm going to do it like that, actually, it's better. Like this. ABC. This is again an ABC here. I'm gonna try to keep the colors nice, because it's gonna be messy. This, okay. These in like red are the internal structures of this larger and more pink ABC, and then of course I expect this to be another A, B, C, but we will have to see this as time goes. Yeah, this is fucking ugly. Yeah, let's just do yellow, fuck it. So yeah, the target box for this wave C in pink I measured using A and the B low. Also, other than like this 886 fib, you can see that ever since 2021, when we retraced to the upside, we failed to take the previous high. We pushed down, we retraced to the high, failed. We pushed down, we retraced to the high, failed. We retraced to the high, failed. And now for the first time, we break the previous high, we create a higher high. that's nice with consistent higher lows. That's already nice. Also, yeah, you can count an ABC inside this one, so it's looking nice like a diagonal pattern. This ABC correction in red here, this is your target box for wave C. The nice thing is that it's, if I use fibs, it also aligns with the 0.5 and the golden pocket Fibonacci level, and yeah, ever since price came to these fibs, it's like started to move very overlapping and like slowing down. What is this? We're talking about like a 14% range since like the last five months, so that's nothing. It's really slowed down, and with this volume, with the RSI on the daily still having room and finally like looking like it's gonna move up, I think it's happening. Also on the weekly, the RSI, look, it's been forming actually bullish divergence, I guess, because you've put in lower lows on the chart while your RSI has put in consistently higher lows, so this is actually very nice. Only you don't have the higher volume on the lower wick is here. I think I should use a daily for this one. Here it's really in the low that you can see the daily candle, and that it's like engulfing in green, so it's nice. Next targets for me are take these highs step by step and just go. And I'm expecting inside this C you should have 5 waves. So I'm gonna look for that internally in this wave 1. I'm gonna try to look for 5 waves as well. So yeah, let's see. This one is very interesting together with other Chinese stocks. The momentum looks to be upwards now. And yeah, let's see how long they, like, if they can really start finally moving up. Since like 2021 they have been fucking going now. But yeah, that's that. No financial advice, just sharing some, like a stock maybe that's not known for you, non-US based stock. So yeah, I hope I helped and learned you something. Bye bye.